This 5-minute solution will show you how to add text to Instagram Reels. To add captions and text to your Reels, go ahead and launch your Insta application. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom and here select Reel. Now I'm going to selecting a video for my Reel and tapping on next. Now to add a text to this Reel, tap on this AA icon at the top right and now write here your text. To change your text font, you can change it from this menu. Now to change your text color, tap on this color box and here you can change your text color. And to change your background color, tap on this AA icon and here you can change your background color. Tap on done. To change the position, you can drag and you can change the text position like this. To make your text bigger, you can do it like this. You can also rotate the text. Once the text added, tap on next. Now to add our captions to your Reel, tap on this write a caption box and here you can add a caption. Tap on OK and now you can post the Reel. This is how we can add text and captions to Instagram Reels. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.